Grease buildup on your AC coils blocks airflow and forces your compressor to work harder, wasting energy and risking a breakdown. Ignoring this can cut your cooling efficiency by up to 40% and lead to compressor failure. Regular cleaning keeps your system running efficiently and extends its lifespan. We provide fast professional AC maintenance across Miami, Broward, and Palm Beach at best pricing. Don't wait for an emergency. Protect your AC today. Contact us to schedule your maintenance. Call us today at 954-302-1550. Air Duct Specialists, LLC.